Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to our channel Pak Food Secrets. Guys, today we have a delicious recipe for you. You can make this recipe at your home easily. To make this recipe, we have 6 slices of bread, 1 pinch of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 cup of milk, half cup of oil and 2 eggs. Guys, so let's start our recipe. First we cut the bread slices into finger shape. You can cut the bread slices any different shape you like this. We cut all the bread slices in this shape. We cut all the bread slices into finger shapes. Now we add milk into a container. And also add 2 eggs into it. Now we whisk milk and egg together continuously. At this stage we add sugar and cinnamon powder into it and whisk. Now mixture is done. Now we grease all the bread slices with little bit of butter. Spread it all sides. We grease all the bread slices with butter. Let's move to next step. Now we dip all the bread slices into this mixture for a few seconds. Tablespoons of oil into a frying pan. Now fry the bread slices one by one on low flame. Now change its side. It's done. Fry all the bread slices. Let's serve it. Okay guys, you can see the final look of our French toast. It's easy to cook and easy to eat. Don't forget to like and share this video. If you like this video, comment on it and subscribe to our channel Pak Food Secret. Stay connected for more exciting videos. See you soon with new recipe. Allah Hafiz.